Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing access. Sign into the identical Google account in both your browser and Excel so permissions match. Once done, open the sheet and create a shareable link or enable the Google Sheets API if you need programmatic access. Make sure to allow at least viewer access. Then, in Excel, confirm Power Query or Data Get Data is available. This is the bridge that pulls the sheet in. Now you're ready to fetch data into Excel. Next, connect the sheet. If you have a publish-to-web CSV/TSV link, choose Data Get Data from web and paste that URL. Excel will parse rows immediately. Alternatively, use the Sheets API endpoint with your API key and select from web or from OData, then authenticate. In Power Query Editor, promote headers, change types, and remove unwanted rows. These transformations ensure correct types and performance. Once configured, apply and load to a worksheet or model, and schedule refresh. Finally, load the transformed data into Excel and test a manual refresh to confirm live connectivity. Make sure query is complete without errors. If something breaks, reauthorize Excel to access Google or reshare the sheet with the exact Google account you're using. Mismatched accounts are the most common issue. Also check sheet formatting, hidden rows, or named ranges that can shift columns. If types are wrong, adjust steps in Power Query. One quick tip: clear credentials and re-enter them when errors persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.